Keep the momentum going.
We gotta get over 2 humps.
Can't take a vault door out of a single door. Keep it straight. You got an inch of clearance. Ride it all the way in.
Tell me when to make a turn.
Oh, you're the driver, man. You're driving this boat.
Go.
Lower it down too, so.
Go push. Yep, come on. A little dip right here. Just an FYI. Yep.
Keep going. Keep minimum going. Keep
Come
going.
on, let's go. Let's go. Keep going. Come on, come on.
It's breaking the stake, y'all. Oh my God. All right, we gotta come back in. Oh, good.